Okay, what I'm about to reveal might just blow your mind. It's a YouTube automation secret that most creators completely overlook. Meet Mindful Paw, a channel that combines the pet and psychology niches. They launched their first video about 2 weeks ago. That video got over 2 million views. Their second video? Over 300,000 views in just 8 days. And here's the kicker. They monetized with only 3 videos. No expensive tools. Just a simple, repeatable system. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using completely free tools. I know you might have heard that Grok AI isn't free anymore. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you how to generate images and even create animated videos using free alternatives that work just as well. To give you a quick glimpse of what we're about to create, check out this short demo I made using the exact strategy I'm about to walk you through.
Your dog sees a stranger. They bark loudly. Sometimes they lunge, growl, or pull against the leash.
The niche is simple: pet behavior explained through psychology. It works because it hits curiosity plus emotion at the same time. Now the process. Let's start by grabbing the prepared prompt document for this niche. It's linked in the pinned comment. Each prompt might look lengthy, but just copy everything at once using Command+A or Control+A to highlight it all before copying. Let's go. The first step is coming up with intriguing topics. You can check out what similar channels are creating, but to make things easier, go to the Google Doc I mentioned and look for the Video Topics heading. Copy the full prompt, open ChatGPT, and paste it in. Hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. As you can see, it's generated topics in the exact style as the channel we're modeling. Pick whichever topics interest you. For this tutorial, I'm using the psychology of dog barking at strangers. It's not aggression. I also have a document of 20 hand-picked topics in this niche that I'm confident will go viral. If you want it, drop a comment saying pet topics, and I'll send it over. Next, we need the full script. Head back to the Google Doc and look for the script heading. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The only thing you need to add is your chosen topic. Replace the placeholder with your topic and hit enter. This prompt is structured to create complete scripts for 8 to 10-minute videos. Once it's ready, we move to the next step. Now that we have our script, we need image prompts that will become our video visuals. Head back to the Google Doc and look for the image prompts heading. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then paste your complete script where indicated. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will analyze your script and generate 18 to 25 image prompts. Notice how each prompt tells you exactly which part of the script it illustrates. This makes editing incredibly easy later. Now, this next step is critical, and most people skip it. Once ChatGPT finishes generating all the prompts, type this exact message. Give me just the image prompts without any other text. No numbering, no script references, just the clean prompts separated by line breaks. This formats them perfectly for the next tool. Now let's create our voiceover. We're using Microsoft Clipchamp because it's completely free. Open Clipchamp and go to the text-to-speech section. Copy your script and paste it in. Here's the key: choose a warm, friendly, approachable voice. For pet psychology content, you want calm and educational. I'm selecting this voice.
Your dog sees a stranger. They bark loudly.
Perfect. Once it's done, export your audio file and save it somewhere easy to find. Now for the part that feels like magic. We're using AutoWhisk AI to create all our images in one click. First, download the AutoWhisk extension for Google Chrome and pin the extension to your browser bar. Once installed, click the icon and select the top version. Now remember those clean image prompts we copied earlier? Paste all of them into this text box. Here's what's brilliant: AutoWhisk treats each paragraph as a separate prompt, so all 18 to 25 of your image prompts will be processed individually. Before you hit generate, select 16:9 aspect ratio and set the image count to 1. Now hit start. Watch as your images are created one by one. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how many prompts you have. And here's the best part: AutoWhisk automatically downloads each image to a folder, numbered in order. This makes editing seamless because everything is already in the correct sequence. Once all images are generated, you're ready to edit. Open CapCut. I'm using the free desktop version. First, import all your video files. They should already be numbered in order. Next, import your voiceover from Clipchamp. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline first. Then drag all your video clips onto the timeline in order. Because AutoWhisk numbered them correctly and you generated prompts based on the script, everything should sync up naturally. Listen to the voiceover and adjust each image to match the narration. Now, I want to show you something extra. To turn static images into video, I would have suggested Grok, but it's no longer free. Instead, try a tool called Quen. Upload an image you want to animate, and after a moment, you'll get a subtle lifelike motion. For this video, I animated the first 4 scenes to bring the content to life. Then I added keyframes to the rest. Now let's add some polish. Trim it. First, if it's too short, music, extend it or add a subtle audio library and search calm piano or soft ambient. Drag it onto the timeline and lower the volume to around -25 dB so it sits nicely under the narration. Next, add a soft visual effect. Go to Filter, Search Pet, and drag it across the entire timeline. This gives the video a warm, cohesive aesthetic. For the images that aren't animated, add subtle keyframe zooms. Click an image, go to the beginning, add a keyframe, move to the end of the clip, and zoom in slightly. Play it back to see the result. Do this for all your remaining images. One last touch, go to Filter, look for grain or subtle noise filter, and drag it across the timeline. The video looks great now. Export it at 1080p. Click Export, choose your resolution, and hit Export. Now, the thumbnail is just as important as the video itself. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and replace the placeholder with your video title. ChatGPT will generate 3 thumbnail concepts. Pick your favorite and copy the image generation prompt. Paste it into ImageFX or any free image generator. Select 16:9 aspect ratio and hit Generate. Once you have your image, download it and open Canva. Upload the image and add your text overlay. Use a bold, readable font like Bebas Neue or Impact. Make sure the text is large enough to read on mobile. Add a subtle glow or stroke to make it pop. ChatGPT already told you which words to emphasize and what colors to use. Follow that guidance. If the concept includes an arrow or circle, add that too. Bright red or yellow arrows draw the eye and boost click-through rates. Export your thumbnail as a PNG. And you're done. If you found this helpful, I've got 3 quick asks. First, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this video matters. Second, subscribe to Money Mastery Hub for more YouTube automation goldmines like this. And third, head to the description and grab the Google Doc with all my prompts. Drop a comment saying free automation if you're starting this niche with free tools. I do my best to reply to everyone. I'll see you in the next one.